Wild bird fly in, sing a song I can't capture, and I'll make it up to you somehow. My hat was hung there for a while on a pole, set up Norwegian style, ready to show 'em what I can. Little bird came flying by, and its northern flames light up the sky. That bird was singing out of rain, and I got lost into the haze. Couldn't pick me up, so I took him down to be the center of my crown, and I thought it'd make the change. It was singing out of rain. Wild bird fly in, sing a song I can't capture, and I'll make it up to you. Wild bird fly in, sing a song I can't capture, and I'll make it up to you. If you can't understand it now, I'm gonna make it up to you somehow. I'm gonna make it up to you somehow. You know, it will never be the same, and truly why we'll never tame, and I think it is a shame. 'Cause all of a sudden he stopped singing his song. I lost my mind and all went wrong. I got a heavy hand. Wild bird fly in, sing a song I can't capture, and I'll make it up to you. Wild bird fly in, sing a song I can't capture, and I'll make it up to you. If you can't understand it now, I'm gonna make it up to you somehow. I'm gonna make it up to you somehow. I'm gonna make it up to you somehow. I'm gonna make it up to you.